nakita rin natin yan, no? Humaba nga yung pila daw sa San Lazaro and the other big hospitals. Our preliminary analysis is mukhang nagkakaroon ng distribution problem. Meron po tayong bakuna in country as evidenced by San Lazaro being able to give the vaccines. And I would anticipate na baka ang RITM rin baka nakakabigay, the big hospitals. So it makes us wonder, and that's what we're checking on, na parang mukhang nagkaroon lang yata ng distribution issues. And in a way, it's also a silver lining kung ba't nagkaroon ng ganoon. We are seeing more consultations. Now, the rabies cases are all fatal. Pag ikaw nakitaan ng rabies, you will die. So, but the good news is, if you bring your animal bite, an animal bite is not necessarily a rabies case. Pag dinala mo ang animal bite for consultation, which we're seeing now, and thank you to you guys in the media na tumataas yung awareness, there's a chance to fight it off. Yun yung nakikita naming phenomenon. Tumaas yung demand, mukhang hindi yata handa yung mga centers na dun sa pagtaas ng demand generation natin. So we're gonna fix the supply distribution issue.